Hello, Alberto Roberts here, author of non-fiction books on telescope making, astronomy and binoculars. I would like to begin by introducing three of my books. They are A Concise Guide to Collecting and Restoring Vintage Binoculars, 3rd edition, Porro Prism Binoculars Overhaul, 2nd edition, and Binoculars 2 books in 1, 2nd edition. Each book is available to buy in Kindle ebook and in paperback editions from Amazon marketplaces. An EPUB edition of each book is also available to buy from Kobo. Follow the links below this video to find out more about these books and my other published titles. Over a period of many years, I have collected and restored many pre-owned binoculars and also some new ones. Some I went on to sell, but the majority I've kept. I enjoy using binoculars from my own collection to observe the night sky, to observe wildlife in their natural surroundings, and also for viewing distant objects over land and sea. It would take a considerable period of time to talk about all of the binoculars in my collection. So here I have chosen 4 examples. This Ross of London Steplaw binoculars was manufactured in the UK around the mid-1930s. Focusing is achieved by adjusting each eyepiece separately. The lenses and prisms are not coated, unlike the majority of binoculars manufactured after World War II. It has a power of 8x and a wide field of view of 8.5 degrees. Manufactured in the USSR sometime in the 1970s to 1980s, this Zoms binoculars is another example where focusing is achieved by individual eyepiece adjustments. It has a power of 7x and the objective lenses are 50mm in diameter. The field of view is not stated on the rear prism cover. The lenses and prisms in this example are coated, as you can see. Manufactured in Japan in the mid-1980s, this Pentax Asahi 10x50 has a center wheel and a right diopter focusing mechanism. It has a power of 10x and a 5.5 degree field of view. As with the previous example, the optical surfaces are coated. An unusual addition to my collection is this Porro Prism binocular. It was manufactured in the USSR by Goms in the late 1980s. The binocular has interchangeable objective lenses, one having a diameter of 40mm, which is currently fitted, and the other having a diameter of 60mm. The objective lenses are secured to the monocular body by means of a bayonet fitting. This allows a quick and easy change of the objective lenses. An optical flat prevents dust and other contaminants from entering the prism housing. I shall now demonstrate how this is done by replacing the 40mm objective with the 60mm objective lens. So, at the moment we have this binocular in 12 by 40 mode, and I'm going to demonstrate how we convert it to a 20 by 60 mode. So what we do is we unscrew this and lift out the 40mm objective, and then we align the red dot, I don't know if you can see that, with this red dot, thus, and then we turn it and secure it, and there you have it. We now have a 20 by 60mm monocular. Now I would like to say a little more about each of my books. Firstly, a concise guide to collecting and restoring vintage binoculars, 3rd edition. This is a useful book for anyone who would like to build a collection of binoculars, have guidance on purchasing pre-owned binoculars, have guidance on servicing and restoration work, have guidance on how to look after binoculars, and have some knowledge and understanding of the history of binoculars, types of binoculars, and specifications. Secondly, Porro Prism Binoculars Overhaul 2nd edition. This book is a detailed, fully illustrated guide for performing a complete overhaul of binoculars that use Porro prisms in their design. Finally, Binoculars 2 books in 1, 2nd edition. This book has both of the books previously mentioned bundled together in one book, offering a significant reduction in cost when compared to buying each book separately. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.